If you look at me, you see someone who's probably done well in SEO. Most of you guys see me as an SEO, not really a marketer or entrepreneur, but specifically a SEO. And a lot of you guys are like, hey, whatever Neil does, he succeeds when it comes to SEO. But I've had a really huge failure in SEO. And funny enough, it's not just one, I've had many. The thing about me is I've gone decent or good at SEO, not because I'm smarter than you. There's so many people out there who know more about SEO than me or smarter. It's that I'm relentless. I keep experimenting, testing, and trying until I figure something out. It's just my personality. I'm obsessive. And one of the biggest failures I had was I would buy websites that were expired. I would spend a lot of money building their links, getting their rankings, and eventually Google would hit me with a penalty because I was too aggressive. I bought links which you shouldn't have. I was using expired domain names on things like national parks because they had all these EDU and government links, and then turning them into a casino site. I was just asking for it. But I ranked really high up on page 1 for terms like online casino. And yeah, I did get caught. But the thing I learned about SEO, my biggest mistake was being short-sighted. It's not necessarily a tactic because there's a lot of tactics that I failed with that got me quick results. But most of the ones that got me quick results made me quick money, but that money went away really fast as well. And the biggest SEO mistake I made was having the mindset of being short-sighted. With SEO, think long run. Yes, it takes you a long time to get rankings if you do it right and you don't take shortcuts, but the rankings stay there for a very long time. Create stability. It will create genuine, solid income for your business that you can rely on. Don't be short-sighted like I was when I was a kid starting out as an SEO. You can experiment, you can do some fun stuff. I understand you can break rules. I don't recommend it, but if you want to do it for experimentation and fun purposes, don't hurt anyone else, don't do anything unethical. Experiment, you'll learn that way. And eventually you'll learn that, hey, it's the stuff that is providing value, doing what's best for the user is what's gonna rank you the highest and keep you there in the long run. Because Google's not about, oh, if this site has more links, it should be ranked at the top. The way Google thinks is, hey, whatever's best for the user is what we want to place at the top. That is really the core purpose of their search algorithm. Yes, they don't want people manipulating it, and they're using things like links and brand signals and on-page SEO to help determine where a website should be ranked. But if you look at the overarching picture, in their mind, the website that provides the best value to the user, not to Google, but to the user, is who they want to be placed at the top. So if you do what's best for the user, you may not get the best results in the short term. Heck, I would bet that you're not going to get the best results in the short term, but you will get the best results in the long run.